Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm happy to share upcoming Louis Vuitton bags. I'll be providing everything that you need to know, from prices, product codes, SKUs, everything I'm going to feature here. So make sure you ready your phone to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availability, please check with your CEs. So guys, I'm inviting you to watch until the end of the episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about days about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this so you could easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and help me reach my 4,000 subbies this year. Also, follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! I'm very happy to share upcoming bags from Louis Vuitton, launching July 2024 plus more June 2024 releases. I'll be featuring exotic leather finishes plus new design bags. Prices, features, product codes, product features, and launch dates are all included. Kindly take a screenshot for your reference. And for pre-orders and availabilities, please check with your CAs. Happy shopping! Alright, so we are going to start first with the exotic leather bags. First, we have the Capucines BB. Guys, most of these exotic leather finishes, there would be no prices because the prices would be available upon request. But we do have the SKU here. Just kindly check with your CA. So first, we have the Capucines BB Exotic Croco Collection, launching July 2024. So here are the details. Next, we have it in the Capucine size mini. Same, we don't have the prices, but the SKU is provided. From the Exotic Croco Collection. Color is pink quartz, but we are going to see that the pink quartz is look like iridescent. Material is iridescent croc leather. It comes with top handle and crossbody strap, launching July of 2024. Next, we have the Twist size mini. We have SKU is provided, still from the Exotic Croco Collection. Same material and color of pink quartz. Material is iridescent croc leather, as we are going to notice that it comes with silver hardware, silver turn lock, and also the silver chain with the leather strap for comfort. Next, we have the Petite Malle Capitale. I love this design, guys. If I would be having a Petite Malle, this would be it, because I am loving the top handle detail. It would come with detachable crossbody strap. It would come with silver hardware, as we could see here. The same material is the iridescent croc leather with detachable silver chain strap. Next, we have the Twist East-West. So this one is the elongated version. So Twist East-West design. So same colorway of pink quartz and same material of iridescent croc leather. It comes with the detachable silver chain strap with leather strap as well. Next, we have this very beautiful card holder. SK is provided. What I'm loving about this card holder, aside from the iridescent croc leather finish, we are going to see the charms, the silver charms, the Louis Vuitton flowers on the side of the card holder. Alright, next we have the Capucines mini. So this is another collection, the Exotic Caroon Collection. Color is lilas. So the caroon, it means the material is snakeskin. It would come with silver hardware. It would come with detachable strap, and we're noticing that the crystals are embedded in the logo. So the collection would be launching July 2024. It would also come in the Petite Malle. So SK is provided. Color is still the lilas. Material is the snakeskin leather. Gold hardware with detachable strap. This collection would be launching July 2024. Another one would be the exotic ostrich collection. First, we have the Capucines mini. Again, price would be available upon request, but we have SKU here for your reference. Material is ostrich leather. It would come with gold hardware, and it would come with detachable crossbody strap. The launch date of this collection would be July 2024. Part of this collection, we have this very beautiful city steamer for the exotic ostrich collection. By the way, guys, the colorway of this one is sunrise purple. Material is ostrich leather. It would come with gold hardware. It would come with key clochette. It would come with padlock. So this is a 2-top handle bag, launching July 2024. Then we have the Petite Malle. So this one, so same material and same features, but the material is in the exotic ostrich leather with the colorway of the sunrise purple. I'm loving the contrast of the gold hardware. It pops on this very beautiful sunrise purple colorway of the collection. Next, we have another exotic ostrich collection, but this time the color is rose calypso. First, we have the Nano Speedy. So this one, the main material is ostrich leather still, but again in this pink colorway. It would come with silver hardware, detachable leather crossbody strap, leather bag tag, and this collection would be launching July 2024. Then we have the Loop PM. Again, a price would be available upon request. Just kindly screenshot and take note of the SKU for your personal reference. So this one colorway is the Rose Calypso. It would come with 2 straps, guys. So it would come this very dainty silver chain strap, and it would come with a detachable strap that is fully adjustable. Then it would come in this very beautiful side trunk size PM. SKU is provided. So we are also noticing that the colorway is Rose Calypso. Material is the ostrich leather. Then it would come with the contrasting silver hardware. So it would come with 2 strap, detachable top handle, and detachable crossbody strap. And then we have the new design bag. So we have the Vanity size PM. The price of this one is 2,350 euro. Material is the reverse monogram canvas. It would come with detachable leather crossbody strap, chain strap, and what I'm seeing is this is a slimmer version of the original Vanity PM. It would come with padlock, key clochette, launching July 2024. And then we have the Louis Vuitton Coffrette VIVIENNE Fashionista. So price, guys, please take note, is 6,600 euro. We have SKU here. So the main material, of course, of the Coffrette would be the monogram canvas. This is a trunk for the VIVIENNE Fashionista doll, launching June 28, 2024. Then we have the Pochette Voyage. This one, the price is 830 euro or 1,100 USD. This is from the Monogram Eclipse Reverse Collection. Material is Eclipse Monogram Canvas. The color is turquoise. It would come with silver hardware and turquoise leather trims. Launching July 27, 2024. Alright, next from the collection, we have the DOP kit. The price of this one is 800 euro or 960 USD. SK is provided from the Monogram Eclipse Reverse Collection. Material is Eclipse Monogram Canvas. Color is turquoise. That is the leather trips as we could see here and part of the zipper pull tab as well. Launching June 27, 2024. New collection, guys. This is very beautiful. So we have the DOP kit. Price is 800 euro or 960 USD. SKU is provided from the Louis Vuitton Tyrolean collection. Material is the Tyrolean leather. Color is sapphire. Launch date is June 27, 2024. I'm actually loving the Tyrolean leather because this is very hard wearing. Next, we have the Brazza wallet, 960 euro. So from the same collection of the Tyrolean collection, material is the same, Tyrolean leather, color is sapphire. So we are noticing that it's very spacious, like a long kind of wallet for your cards, and would also have an insert for your bills. It would be a full zippered long wallet. Then we have a pocket organizer. Price is $670 USD. We have SKU here. Same material and colorway. So colorway is sapphire. Material is the very beautiful Tyrolean leather. So it would have a multiple card inserts on the inside, and this is the close-up view of the very beautiful Tyrolean leather. Then we have it in other colorway. First, we have the pocket organizer. Price is $670 USD. SK is provided. I'm loving this very beautiful pop of the turquoise but Tyrolean leather colorway, as we can see here. Others may call this one as the Tiffany blue. What do you think? Is it similar to the Tiffany blue colorway, guys? Launch date is June 27, 2024. It would come in the multiple wallet design. The price of this one is $695 USD. We have SKU here. Collection is the Tyrolean leather. Color is turquoise. I am really loving and falling in love with this colorway, guys. If you are also, please do comment down below. I would love to hear from you. So as you're noticing, it would come with billfold and for your card holder. And then of course, we have this new design of card holder Capucines. Price is $545 USD. Material is leather and the colorway is noir. It would come with gold hardware. As you're noticing, guys, that the LV is very similar to the Louis Vuitton Capucines bag. The launch date of this SLG is June 28, 2024. Then it would come in this very beautiful galley color card holder Capucines. Same price of $545 USD. SKU is provided and launch date is June 28, 2024. So guys, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a flower emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! So before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from a million. Thank you for staying with me today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!